Welcome back to another video of Jamie's car flips. So last night we took a deposit on the red Fiesta. I'm telling you, the car trade has been slow as hell. So last month, November, I only sold 2 cars. So far this month I've only sold 1. That Fiesta, I've had it for about a month now. I've also bought another car, a Renault Megane 1.6. I've had that one for about 2 weeks now, but I just haven't filmed because I've just been busy with my TikTok. So if you guys want to see a lot of behind the scenes content, check out my TikTok at Jamie's Car Flips. The link's going to be in the description anyway. The battery on the Fiesta is dead, so what I'm going to do is I'm on my way to Euro Car Parts right now to buy a new battery. Let's get to Euro Car Parts and get this battery and get this Fiesta fixed. So, we have just arrived and the line in there is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Damn! And there is the battery. Let's get it in my car. So here's the Fiesta. We've got to put the new battery in it, and there is the Megane that I bought. It is time to put the new battery in the Fiesta. So let's get started. Alright, let's remove the battery. We've got 8 more. Take this off. And put that out the way. And put that out of the way. Just replace the battery. There's the old one and there's the new one. And let's see how the car starts. So guys, the car starts a lot better now, as you can see. Let me just start it up. Start straight up. Not struggling to start anymore because the battery's not dead. Customer is coming today at 6 PM to pick the car up, so I said to him that I'm going to replace the battery before he comes to pick the car up. So he agreed on that, left a £200 deposit. So later on he's going to come with cash. I said I could take bank transfer, but he rathered cash because he's an older gentleman. Currently got a Fiesta that I got a bid on. So here is the Fiesta.
Just gotta go, guys, just gotta go. For the good of Phoebe, for the good of Phoebe, for the Phoebe 50 bid, for the good of 50 bid, for the 50, for some of the horse of the it goes on, so be fine. 5 on the 5, we got the 55, 5, we got the 55.
I could bid on it for that, but yeah, I'm not going over that. Look, 625 with fees. Yeah, that's going for way too much, and it's got 127,000 miles on it. £725 for that. And it's a 2008, £800. No way. Fiesta, I won the bid for £500 and I paid £779 with fees. Just sold it for £1,250 simply because I just want the car gone now. I'm tired of looking at it. It's been sat there for a month now. So I just lowered the price and I sold it for that cheap. So there's not really that much profit left in it. Probably just break even with it, but I just want it gone now. And to see that Fiesta go for that much, like, flipping, oh my, the auction prices are going absolutely crazy. So the Megane's got 85,000 miles. I've given the car a good clean. Like, it was really dirty in here. The seats probably could do with a wet vac, I'm not gonna lie, but I just didn't have time to do it. But the seats aren't too bad. This is just a quick walk around on the Megane. I've given the car a polish, but this was about 2 weeks ago, so like the rain's probably washed it all off by now, and the storm and all of that. But it's a pretty good car. It's got long MAT with no advisories, service history. It's got all of that. It's a pretty good car, to be honest. It drives good, goes into all gears, good clutch, engine sounds good as well. Just had to give it a good clean, really. Yeah, pretty decent whip, really. But I haven't really had any interest in it. I haven't had any viewings yet. As you know, this time of year the car trade is slow. Just about sold that red Fiesta. This is the back, but car flipping isn't my only income, so I'm busy doing other things as well, as it's really slow this month. So Yeah. Big shout out to TOPDON for sending me out their jump starter. This was an absolute lifesaver yesterday when someone came to see the Fiesta and put a deposit on it and the car wouldn't start, so I had to use this jump starter. So all I had to do was click it in there, connect negative to negative, positive to positive, and click boost, and it started the car. And it also has 2 charging ports, comes with a light, it has 3 different settings. This is really good. I've used it a couple of times, I'm not gonna lie, and I am impressed with it. For the little size of it, it does really good. Don are doing 10% off if you use code JAMEY'S Car Flips on eBay. So the link's gonna be in the description. Click that link and get yourself one, because this time of year you're gonna need one of them. But yeah, if you want to see any behind the scenes content, go to my TikTok page. I've just recently hit 10.5k followers on there. So most of my content is on TikTok, but I'm not going to abandon YouTube. I'm going to become more consistent on my YouTube channel again, because I've been inconsistent on my YouTube recently. So forgive me, I'm back. There's an issue with this window on the Megane. It kept coming out of alignment, but if you look at it now, the window is now in alignment because I fixed the window. This is so annoying. Look at the window. It's literally come right out of alignment. There you go. Got it in. So the arm is a little bit bent on that corner, so it just needs a little bit more bending to get it back straight. So I'm just currently bending it back into shape by just doing this and just bending it back straight. Guys, I have fixed it. Just going to spray some WD-40 on the running system. Alright, moment of truth. Watch the window. The window goes up. So I managed to fix the window without replacing the window regulator. So basically what happened was the window basically jumped out. The regulator was a bit bent, so I straightened the regulator, and also on the sliders, I think there was like a load of dirt in the slider. So like the slider was struggling to slide, so I put some WD-40 on it and cleaned it out a bit. And like the window works perfectly now. So yeah, that's now fixed, which is good. I saved myself some money. I didn't need to buy the window regulator. So everything is back together. Does the window work? Gonna put the key back in. There you go. It works. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And the door opens and locks.